Google Cloud just donated its A2A project with the Linux Foundation. Why does this matter for the future of software development environments and also confidential computing scenarios? Let us explore. Hi, this is Murli Dhulam, founder of ITS Port Private Limited, architect trainer in the area of DevSecOps, Azure, AWS, Kubernetes with AI, ML, IoT integration. Till now, I have trained more than 5,000 plus students and 1,000 plus students working with top MNCs. Also, we have developed FIRA, which helps small and medium scale organizations streamline operations, scale with confidence. Now let us explore what are the benefits moving A2A project from Google Cloud to Linux Foundation. Let us see that. Now let us come back to our topic. Google Cloud donated A2A protocol to the Linux Foundation. Before that, let us discuss about what is A2A, agent to agent protocol. So here you can see this scenario. These are all different bots. One bot is payment, other one is delivery bot, let us imagine. So we are ordering one pizza. Your voice assistant asks a delivery bot, then our payment bot settles the bill. Right? By using A2A, we are providing common language to understand each other. Now, let us go back to our documentation also. A2A documentation, official documentation, you can see that. These are all different members, partners contributing to the agent-to-agent protocol. Also, you can see the structure also, communicating multiple parties. Okay. Also, let us see Google Cloud donates A2A to the Linux Foundation. Okay. Now, so why Linux Foundation? So also what Google donated, let us discuss that. So here it includes complete A2A specifications and also software development kit, so that ready to use software development kit for immediate integration to the existing systems or for developers. Similar way, developer tooling as well. Then why Linux Foundation? Let us see that now. So this is the portal, official portal, Linux Foundation portal. Just see this metrics. These many open source projects are there, 900 and 3 million plus developers trained, also developers contributed, and 51 million lines of code, right? And also contributing organizations as well. Okay. Also, there is a sample use case related to Linux Foundation. So that is called Kubernetes project. Initially, Google developed Kubernetes. After that, they donated to community as well, Linux Foundation CNCF community. So here you can see these are all different versions. You can see these are all different versions. Okay. Also, you can go through this documentation also. 10 years of Kubernetes. Right. These are documentation. You can go through that. Okay. They completed around 10 years now. Okay. Also, just see these versions as well. Okay. They started with around 1.4 some versions. Now they're in 1.34. Currently, this is the latest version, right? 1.33 and 1.34 is still in progress. Okay. And also just see, let us see Kubernetes, this project roadmap also. Because same use cases, Google donated Kubernetes with Linux Foundation. That's why we are trying to observe Kubernetes journey as well. Okay. So there is a portal called DevStats. Just go to this portal, devstats.cncf.io. So here you can click Kubernetes. You see here. First, just try to observe these categories as well. These are all graduated projects within the CNCF. CNCF nothing but Cloud Native Computing Foundation. Cloud Native Computing Foundation. Okay. So just see here, it's part of Linux Foundation. Okay. So you can see that. Okay. The Linux Foundation. Okay. Now, so within that, you can see landscape as well. Cloud Native landscape. These are all different sections you can see. Projects as well as products, members, also partners and providers, different sections are there. These are all different partners. Now, also let us go back to DevStat portal now. So here you can see that these are all graduated projects. So initially, suppose if you are trying to contribute one project, initial stage, sandbox, okay, sandbox. After that, okay, so incubating, and once it is done, graduated. These are all graduated projects now. Kubernetes is one of the graduated projects. Let us open this project as well, Kubernetes project. Right. This is the dashboard. So within that, we need Kubernetes metrics. Let us see here. Let us observe this metrics, hourly Kubernetes activity on the GitHub. Okay. And also let us see companies table, who are all contributing with this Kubernetes project. Okay. Because currently it is community project, right? Let us see. These are all companies. Okay. These many companies, they are contributing. So many companies are there. Also, let us see companies by countries as well. Countries also, different countries. Okay. These are all metrics you can see. And now, also one more metric, let us see. Okay. So GitHub status by repository. These are all different repositories. Okay. These are all different repositories. Currently, we are exploring only 24 hours, right? Or you can see our other metrics also. Okay. So let me open Kubernetes GitHub. Kubernetes GitHub. You can see contribution also. Just see here. These many issues are there. Huge commits are there. Okay. Now, so because of community contribution, so Kubernetes is in the top list now. Same scenario they are applying for A2A project also. Agent to agent protocol. What is the next step now? Linux Foundation will expand A2A across identity, security, reputation, and policy domains. And also for this, they're calling developers, researchers, companies, everyone on interested in AI agent ecosystem to contribute GitHub. This is the GitHub. Okay. So please go through these repositories as well. In summary, why Google Cloud donated A2A project with the Linux Foundation? Because Linux Foundation is a neutral home. Everyone can collaborate fairly. And also, if you onboard more developers, we'll expect more features as well as more integration. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it, and see you in the next video. Thank you.